If you're on the hunt for the perfect bag or case for your DJI Mini, you've come to the right place. Personally, I think this is the best option out there. Instead of opting for a larger bag that fits both the drone and the remote, I chose this individual bag. It allows for easy distribution in your backpack or luggage. A big bag can make it tricky to manage your space, but with this one, you can slide it into any available spot effortlessly. I picked this up from Shopee for just 480 pesos during a promo. It fits everything perfectly, opens easily, and feels quite durable. Plus, it's lightweight, so I can travel with my drone without worrying about damaging the propellers. So if you love travel, consider grabbing this bag for better organization in your luggage or backpack. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll give you more feedback on this bag.